How do you define good customer service? Does that simply mean the satisfactory marketing and sale of a product or service to a customer, or does it mean something else? Is providing good customer service good enough? What if I told you, you could offer your new customers a free vacation? Click on the link in the video description. In these days of below-average customer service, you may think providing good service will set you apart from the pack. Well, I am here to tell you, you need to have great customer service and also give out bonuses. By incorporating the wow factor into every successful sale, you will achieve greater profits, better customer satisfaction and retention. Wow your new prospects by giving them a free vacation as a bonus if they choose to do business with you. Also, to achieve the wow factor, you must be honest, knowledgeable, friendly, professional and deliver on your promises. Give them something they more than likely cannot get elsewhere. Do not overpromise, but also do not underpromise either. In addition, you must be able to provide a high level of service to each one who comes in contact with your business. If you do, you'll also get more referrals from your satisfied clients, especially if you can give them a free vacation. Wow everyone who comes into contact with you and your business. You want people to be blown away by the extraordinary level of service you deliver to them. Plus the incentives only you can offer them. Demonstrate your exceptional level of customer service by showing your generosity through gift giving. Your goal should be to deliver such a high level of service that your clients can't wait to tell their family members, friends and coworkers about your company. Everyone who comes into contact with your business as a potential client or referrer. Stand out by rewarding those who refer people to you by gifting them a free vacation. Send gifts to all your business associates in order to gain favor. This is a great way to build relationships with the people you rely on to get business. Look for a reason to send these people a thank you card along with a gift. So, what types of gifts should you send? I'll leave that up to your imagination, but here are some ideas to help you get started. Movie passes. Starbucks cards. Maybe flowers, maybe a houseplant. A ticket for a free car wash. Or a free vacation. Maybe get them gift candles. Your favorite recipes. Gourmet chocolates or gourmet popcorn. Successful salespeople always make sure their faithful referrers are regularly and consistently rewarded. Set aside the best rewards for your top referrers. Some of these types of gifts may include dinner for two at a fancy restaurant, tickets to the opera or to a concert. Gift cards are a great gift. Try high-end fruit baskets. Maybe a potted plant or flower arrangement. How about a personally inscribed pen? Yes, when it comes to gift giving, the sky is the limit. The more personal the gift, the more likely it will be remembered and serve as a thoughtful reminder to your best referrers the next time someone is in need of your particular exemplary services. Click the link in the video description to get full details about how your small or medium-sized business can start giving away free vacations. It's more affordable than you can imagine.